So in this video, we are going to learn how you can turn off this auto correction on your iPhone. So let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open your settings. After opening your settings, now here you can find the option General. Tap on it. After tapping on the General option, what you're going to do is now scroll down until you see the option of Keyboard. Here you can see the option of Keyboard. Tap on it. And then you will be able to see the option of auto correction too. Here you can see the auto correction is turned on. Simply just tap on it in order to turn it off. Here you can see now the green button has turned into gray and your auto correction is now turned off. And now you can go type anything you want or text anyone, and this auto correction won't be annoying you anymore. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Bye bye. See you in the next.